This video compiles of linear equation exercise solutions from Goel Brothers Prakashan publications of class 8.
Two-thirds of 9 subtracted from a number gives 9. Find the number. Let the unknown number be x. Let the number be x. In question it is given as two-thirds of 9 subtracted from a number. Two-thirds of 9. This two-thirds of 9 which is subtracted from a number, which gives 9. Now if you solve this linear equation, it will become x minus 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 into 2 will become 6, x minus 6 equal to 9. When from left hand side, when minus 6 goes to right hand side, it will become plus 6, which shows 9 plus 6, it will be 15. The unknown number what we have to find is 15. One number is 3 times another. If the larger number is subtracted from 60, the result is 2 times the smaller number. Now here we don't know the numbers. The numbers means we don't know smaller number and the larger number. Now we will take, let the smaller number be x. Then coming to the larger number, here in the question it is given as the larger number is subtracted from 60. One number is 3 times the another. That means obviously in two numbers the larger number will be more than the smaller number. That means larger number is 3 times the other number. That means it will be 3 times of x. It is given here is that if the larger number is subtracted from 60, larger number is 3x subtracted from 60, then the result obtained is 2 times the smaller number. The smaller number we know as x, 2 times the smaller number will be 2x. When we solve the equation, it will become 60 equal to 2x. When minus 3x from left hand side goes to right hand side, it will become plus 3x. Then it will be 60 equal to 5x. Then if you solve, it will become 60 by 5. Then it will be 12. The smaller number what we got is 12. When we substitute the smaller number into the larger number, that means when x is substituted into 3x of the larger number, then it will become 3 times of 12, then it will be 36. The larger number obtained will be 36, the smaller number obtained will be 12. The ratio of two numbers is 8:7. If 2 subtracted from both the numbers, the ratio changes to 7:6. Find the numbers. Here we don't know the numbers. Let the required numbers be x and y. Let the required numbers be x and y. Now coming to the question again, the ratio of two numbers is 8:7. The ratio of two numbers is 8:7. From here we can find what is the value of x in terms of y. Here when we cross multiply these two, it will become 7x equal to 8y. Then x will become 8y by 7. We will take this as first equation. Now coming to the next part of the question. If 2 subtracted from both the numbers, the ratio changes to 7:6. If 2 is subtracting from both the numbers, the new ratio will become 7:6. X by y. When 2 is subtracted from both the numbers, the new ratio it is becoming as 7/6. Now this is the final equation what we have to work it out. The same step what we repeated here, we will also do the same thing here. We will cross multiply these two, then it will become 6 times of x minus 2 equal to 7 times of y minus 2. Then 6 times of x minus 2 will become 6x. 6 into minus 2 will become minus 12 equal to 7 times of y will become 7y minus 7 times of minus 2 will become minus 14. when we solve this equation, then it will be 6x minus 7y equal to minus 14 plus 12. 6x minus 7y equal to minus 14 plus 12 will become minus 2, because when we compare 14 and 12, 14 is the biggest number. 14 is containing with negative value, then the negative value will come down. Minus of plus will become minus. Minus 14 plus 12 will become minus 2. This equation is in the form of two variables. But one thing we know that from equation 1, if we copy x equal to 8y by 7 and substitute in the equation this one, then we can find it out the single term x and y. Now 6 into 8y by 7 minus 7y equal to minus 2. 6 into 8y will become 48y by 7 minus 7y equal to minus 2. See, here we don't have anything that directly shows it is of by 1. Then when we take LCM as a 7, then it will be 7 ones are 7 is 7 into 1 into 1, 1 into 7 into 7. That means 48y into 1 will be 48y. Minus 7y into 7 will be minus 49y equal to minus 2. 48y minus 49y will become minus y. When this 7 gets multiplied with minus 2, it will become minus 14. Then in left hand side we have minus, right hand side also we have minus. This minus gets cancelled. Then y equal to 14. When y equal to 14, when you substitute this y equal to 14 in equation 1, if you solve that, we'll get the value of x. From equation 1, we know as x equal to 8y by 7. Here we got the value of y equal to 14. When this y equal to 14 is getting substituted in the equation 1, then we'll get the value of x. Let us try. X equal to 8 into, we know y value as 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are, that means 8 into 2 will become 16. X equal to 16. The required numbers what we took as x and y are 16, 14. These are the two numbers what we have to find out. Divide 32 into two parts such that 5 times one part added to 6 times the other part gives 164. Now here we don't know what will be the two numbers when we divide 32 into two parts. Now we have to divide 32 into two parts. Let one part be x. Let us take one part as x. Then the other part will be obviously 32 minus x. Now they gave here as it is 5 times one part added to 6 times the other part gives 164. 5 times one part and added to 6 times the other part gives 164. This is the linear equation what we will get when you solve this question. Then it will be 5 times of x will be 5x, 6 into 32 will be 192, 6 into minus x will be minus 6x equal to 164. 5x minus 6x will be minus x. When plus 192 from left hand side goes to right hand side, then it will become minus 192. Then it will be minus x equal to minus 28. This minus and this minus gets cancelled, then it will be x equal to 28. One part of the x is 28. The other part will be, when we take other part, then it will be 32 minus x. Then it will be 32 minus 28. Then it will be 4. The other part will be 4. The two required numbers are 28 and 4. For verification, if we add the two numbers, then it will be 28 plus 4 gives 32. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, send me in the comment section, and I'll also share my Insta ID and WhatsApp number in the description below.